Superkitty calls are for emergencies only. And eating tuna is not an emergency. Though I wish it was. Was that my belly? Oopsie kitty. Oopsie tummy. What kind? Meowsers. I can help Ginny. No, I can't.